That's not just sound. That's a warning. That's a cry. That's history knocking on the door again. As the trumpet sounds, the nations tremble. Lines get drawn and the headlines never sleep. Day to day, sirens then boom. Mothers grieving what the world won't keep. Children caught in the crossfire of decisions they never made. Born into storms that were already raging. Trying to breathe in a system already breaking. And we ask, how did it last this far? Who benefits when the world stays at war? Maps get divided with ink and intention. Power gets traded with bad intentions. History rewritten, retold, reframed. Same old cycle, just a different name. People displaced, families erased. Truth gets buried, but it can't be replaced. You can silence a voice, but you can't kill sound. Because the trumpet is blowing.